We'll begin with a look at our Valley Skycam off to the north and west of the studios here from South Fargo, and those clouds you see causing some areas to get some pretty powerful stormy weather for tonight. But in Fargo-Moorhead, things have been quiet, hot and breezy throughout the night, and that's what most of us are experiencing. And if you remember, old Hutch was saying a couple of days ago, the Friday forecast, gusty and dusty. Jody Ray Inkstead capturing this in the Cooperstown area, indeed confirming gusts and dust. And boy, did we have the heat today. Peak gusts out near Cooperstown, Jamestown were over 50 miles per hour, Rolla 53 and Langdon 54 miles per hour. And here in the Red River Valley, it was no picnic either, with gusts to 45 to 50 miles per hour. High temperatures kissed record highs in the Northern Valley today. Fargo missing the record by 3 degrees. 99 was our record for today. Today we hit the mid-90s. It's only 86 right now, and we have a 30-mile-per-hour south wind persisting out there. So it is hot. The air over us extremely dry. And here's a look around the region. Some showers and thunderstorms in Devil's Lake, dumping 1-inch hail, cooling things off into the 70s. Jamestown to your west, Medina saw storms delivering some of that half-dollar-sized hail out there. They, too, have cooled off a pinch. It's near 80 in Lakes Country right now, and here is a look at the storms. So first and foremost, the cell near the Jamestown area and points north really has weakened a lot. Most of the intense activity now in northeast North Dakota. Taking you in a little closer, there are no active severe thunderstorm warnings. This cell right here, this long storm, it's all moving up to the north and east towards Cavalier right now. It's still capable of 1/2 to 3/4 inch diameter hail, mainly right here in central Walsh County. As we take you in just a little bit closer, you can see the bright colors over the last hour on our hail size estimates have diminished. So that's good news as far as that storm goes, but expect very heavy rain, some small hail in Hoople and Edinburgh here shortly, and then on towards the Cavalier area on the outside of an hour. Our northeast quadrant of North Dakota and parts of the James and Cheyenne River valleys under that thunderstorm watch until 2 in the morning. And here's what the models say. This activity we have here now, that continues to fester and move to the northeast, but we see some energy make its way into the Dakotas as we go through the overnight. So all the way through 3 to 4 a.m., we could hear rumbles of thunder, mainly west of Fargo, mainly north of Fargo through the overnight. By daybreak, that ends. Gusty south winds pick right back up where they left off. Notice sunny skies here. That's going to heat the atmosphere, destabilize things a little bit. But a cold front starts moving in. Watch these temperatures out west as we go toward the midday hour. We'll still be in the 50s there with the cold front moving in. That's going to knife into our warmer air here that heats up into the mid-80s. And boom, we'll have a few thunderstorms developing right over the Red River Valley and near the Red River Valley in the early evening. As we go towards the late evening, those will make their way eastward with the cold front, and then our winds shift and become northwesterly, tugging this cooler Canadian air our way. So for Fargo, we start out in the 70s. We'll see some sun. We'll heat up into the mid, maybe even upper 80s. And then once we get into the mid-afternoon hours, our chance of thunderstorms increase. A couple of those may be severe, large hail, gusty wind, the main threat. Look at this colorful rainbow of temperatures. The hot stuff, muggy stuff off to the east, including the FM area. Much cooler in the Devil's Lake Basin with strong thunderstorms from the Red River Valley and points east. Here's Barbara capturing a gorgeous shot. There's the tracks, and behind Hutch here, a good old-fashioned thunderstorm. Oh, and there's a beautiful sunset as well. Thanks, Barbara, for sharing your photo. Sunday looks a lot quieter. 69 for Fargo's high temperature, and definitely a big cool-off, and that cool-off persists, Andrea, into next week. Tuesday, a shot of some rain showers possible as we stay cool until Friday.
We didn't need it to persist. We just needed like one day of cool temps. We don't need like continuous. But
Okay.
whatever.
I'll make note of that.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
You bet.